Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel
President
TV,
Bola Ahmed Tinubu is among West African leaders that attended the 63rd ordinary session of the Authority of the ECOWAS Heads of State and Government. He was warmly received by the President of Guinea-Bissau, Umaru Sissoco Embalo, as well as other leaders. Top on the agenda were matters of regional security, the return of democracy in republics of Mali, Burkina Faso and Guinea, which is imperative for political stability in the region. President Embalo encouraged member states to work out modalities on how to mobilize financial resources to stem the tide of insecurity and terrorism, as well as accelerate economic growth of this sub-region.
Since we assumed the chairmanship of the Authority of Heads of State and Government of ECOWAS, and in the face of multiform and unpredictable challenges, we have devoted much time and all our energy on various fronts, regional and international, in order to defend the interests of our member states through various initiatives and diplomatic efforts carried out with the invaluable contribution of the mediators and special envoys to some along with institutions and strategic partners, in order to strengthen the architecture of peace and human security in our sub-region.
Nigeria and Sierra Leone were congratulated for their successful conduct of recent elections.
In February, a few developments have taken place in our community. We witnessed the general elections in Nigeria, which saw the emergence of His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the President of the Republic of Nigeria. I would like, therefore, to welcome President Tinubu to his first meeting of the ECOWAS Authority. On behalf of the community institutions, I would like to extend our felicitation and best wishes in piloting the affairs of Africa's biggest economy and the largest country, the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
ECOWAS Commission President also used the opportunity to commend former President Muhammadu Buhari, while as the then chairman of the ECOWAS, for ensuring political stability in the Gambia and build the institution's headquarters in Abuja. At the end of the summit, President Tinubu was elected as the next chairman of ECOWAS from July 2023 to 2024.
Let me first and foremost commit myself to the principle and rule of law. We had a lengthy discussion this morning. Till now, we must be firm on democracy. Democracy being the best form of government. We sat here, we made some sacrifices for it. We need it to be an example. Without democracy, there's no balance, there's no freedom, there's no rule of law. We will not allow coup after coup.
Special advisor on communication and strategy to the President, Dele Alake, briefed on Nigeria's strategic position.
It is the efficacy of the policies and the general acceptance of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu's policies that have resulted in part into this election as the new chairman of the ECOWAS. Actually, even from Paris, when we were in Paris for the global summit, we'll be having feelers. Some heads of states of West Africa have been coming around to actually drop the hint that they wanted him